Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, if you are new to our channel and if you are just hearing about our MST iCore and iTrend indicator, you may be wondering what this indicator is doing and all. This indicator is based on purely support and resistance. Support and resistance, which in other terms we can call it as demand and supply zone. Once the market has been opened, either the support will be activated or the zone will be activated, or the price will either reach to support zone or the demand zone. Whichever side first gets activated, that side only we have to trade and other side we have to ignore. Once again I repeat, whichever side first gets activated, that side only we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. I will explain you what is iCore and what is iTrend one by one. So go to the indicator settings, and one more, this indicator will not be available in the TradingView platform unless you pay for it. Okay, this is not a free version, this is a paid version, and we have been charging a very little amount if you are going for a high validity plan. If you are going for 1 month plan, 3 month plan, you may have to pay extra when compared to the 5 years plan. Okay, if you are going for a 5 years plan, then the monthly plan will be only 999 rupees. If you calculate for monthly, it will be only 999, but you have to pay a full amount at once. Okay, go to the indicator settings. In the indicator you can see the middle button, that is engine, it looks like engine, that is settings, and then give reset settings. That's all. This is the first thing you have to do. Once the market has opened, this is the first thing you have to do. You can keep in any time from 1 minute to 30 minutes. So now I will do bar replaying so that you will understand exactly what has happened and yesterday how we made the profit. I will keep it in 1 minute time frame also. 3 minutes time from 1x. So assume that market has just opened. Okay. Assume that market has just opened. I am stopping here now. So now we got the bottom zone, we call it as demand zone, and the top zone we are calling it as supply zone. Now the price has neither reached the top zone nor the bottom zone. If it is reaching the supply zone first, then we have to sell. If it is reaching to the bottom zone, that is the demand zone, we have to buy. If you are trading in the options, then you have to buy the corresponding call option if it is in buy zone, then the corresponding put option if it is in sell zone. Okay, here it is clearly mentioned first buy, second sell, and in the other side it is mentioned as first sell and second buy. The blue line is the entry point and the red line is the sell point. Also it is the re-entry point for the another entry if SL hit. And we are not going to take the trade blindly. So what we will be doing, we will let one green candle to close above our buy entry. Similarly, one red candle should close below our sell entry. Then low of that candle should be broken. Then we have to go for the entry. Is that clear? And if the market is having only since morning, if it is going only in the one way, okay, one side way, then we have to wait and take entry. We should not go blindly and enter the trade against the trend of the market. So now since market has opened, it is only in the uptrend. Okay, so what we can do, immediate sell entry should be avoided. So now it has touched our zone. What I said, we have to let one green candle to close above our buy entry for our buy entry, and one red candle should close below our sell zone, then we have to go for the sell entry. So now since it is not closed below the zone, the sell entry is not valid till then. So next one, we have to wait. Again it is not closing below the zone. Let one candle close below our zone, then low of that candle should be broken, then we can go for the entry. Once entry is made, reduce the stop loss to tiny 2 or tiny 3 also. If you cannot bear more loss, then you can reduce stop loss to tiny 2 or tiny 3. So now you can see one candle closed below and low of that candle is broken. Now go to the indicator settings, remove the buy, enable the sell targets, also enable the second buy targets, so that if SL hit, you can go for the reversal entry. So now I am keeping in tiny to target, tiny to stop loss. See here, this candle closed below our zone and low of that candle is broken. Now we can go for the sell entry in the retracement when it is touching our sell zone again, or at the low of that candle or closing price of that candle, you can go for the entry. Now exactly we got the entry. Now we are waiting for the target. The first target will be 25,141. It is hit. Then second target. This also hit. Okay. Then we are waiting for the third target. If it is hitting, we will be happy. Otherwise, we will revise the stop loss and we will end with the profit. No loss, only with the profit. Now market has reversed. It is touching our supply zone again. Now one candle closed below our zone. Now we can go for entry again. Okay. Now we are waiting for another target. After entry, if the market is going up, don't worry. We know our stop loss. We know our risk. Okay, where to end, where to exit, everything we know. So now in the second entry, we got only first target. Second entry, second target we didn't get. Okay. So now it is giving another opportunity for the buy entry. One candle closed above and high of that candle is broken, then we can go for the buy entry. Per day only one entry is allowed. If you want to trade again and again, then you will lose in the market. So what is the better thing? You have to trade only once in a day. If SL hit, don't worry, you can reverse the trade. So this is how we have to trade. After 1 o'clock, what you can do? After 1 o'clock, you can change the settings to noon market. Go to the settings in the market type and give noon market. In the noon market also, here this candle closed below and low of that candle is broken, not broken next candle, so it is not valid. And this candle, okay, this candle that is at 2.9 closed below our zone and low of that candle is broken here. Now we are taking the entry and it has given all the 3 targets. It has given more than 3 targets. That's all. So now this is how we have to trade. If you want to know the extra targets, here we have given the option. Show MST iCore extra targets. Since first sell activated, we can give, if you want 2 targets, you can enable 2 targets. If you want only 1 target, you can enable only 1 target. So now see, exactly sell activated, first target, second target, third target and fourth target hit. So I will summarize what you have to do. Once the market has opened, go to the settings and give reset button. That's all. This is the first thing. Wait for the market to reach either level. If it is going to supply zone, wait for one red candle to close below the sell zone and low of that candle is broken, then you can go for the sell entry. Similarly, if it is coming to buy zone, wait for one green candle to close above the buy zone and high of that candle is broken, then confirmation is done. Now we have to take at the same price when market is touching in the retracement. Otherwise, you can take the high or low is broken. Is up to you. So stop loss you can remain the same. Target you have to keep minimum 1:1. If you are ready to keep 1:2 or 1:1.5, that is also welcome. But at any cost, don't forget to put the stop loss. Don't simply average and don't take any revenge trade. So this is the MST iCore. And another important one is you can trade in MST iCore. You can decide what to take, what to trade one day before also. So in the MST iCore market type, go there and give NSE tomorrow. In NSE tomorrow, you can see if today, that is on 8th October, if market is coming to 25,055 or 25,197 first, wait for one candle to close above the buy zone for buy entry and below the sell zone for the sell entry. And do not forget to reduce the stop loss to tiny 2. That's all. Now today October 8th, our trading setup will be based on this only. If market is coming and reversing from 25,055, we will be buying the call option. If the market is coming and touching 25,197, then reversing, then we will be going for the put option, buying option. Okay, this is clear. Now go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also yesterday we got nice profit. So today I am just showing for today's trade. Okay, you can mark these levels. And wait for the entry. When it is coming to that zone, then only how to trade. So this is how our MST iCore 2.0 is working, and this is static. Once buy or sell zone is enabled, it is drawn, it never destroys. After 1 year also you can see what has happened in so and so date. So it is not a repainting indicator. It will always show you the static lines. So you can decide 1 hour before, 2 hours before, even 1 day before what is going to happen in the next hours. So you can be well prepared so that you can make a decent profit overall in a month, not every day. If SL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry. That is okay. Don't forget. Again, based on the confirmation. Hope it is clear. It is already 11 minutes. I will release another separate video for MST I-trend so that the video length will be short. Thank you all. Bye-bye. I request everyone to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also join our free Telegram channel MST School of Trading, and also join our Aratai channel, same MST School of Trading, so that we will be getting all the updates whatever we are releasing. Thank you all. Bye-bye. All the best.